Hi, here is a quick video for how you can buy a phone number inside GoHighLevel. So once you will log in, you will see a screen like this. So from here, you will click on the settings, and here you will find an option called Full Systems, and you will click on that. And once this will load, if you don't have already any number, you will see this list here empty. Otherwise, you will see a list of existing number. And to buy a number, you will go here, add number, add phone number, and you will select the country from here. Let's say we are looking for a number in United States, so you will select this. And for the filter, and let's say I'm looking for a phone number which are in this region, which have this code. So, and then I will apply this filter, and I will see all the options which are available in this region. I can select a phone number. I will click on proceed to buy. And then here you will get options to upload a document. So you will upload a picture of your document, or you will just click this one, and you can scan this QR code on your mobile and upload pictures from there. And that's how you can complete this payment. You can complete the payment and buy the phone number. Thank you.